Okay, we have another comment from Muriel Plazos. Asa mo apply, ma'am? Please tabangi. Sure, day! Mutabang jud ko. Okay. So, aside from those links on website nga akong na-post na sa akong previews ng mga videos, karon I'll show you some website who accept no experience. Are you ready? Okay, so here are some websites. Okay, so all you have to do just go to Google, then type it in Bruntwork, and yes, that's it, Bruntwork, and then select the first result. Now click na Bruntwork, then it will send you to the next page. So this mo nilang website. Okay, so click mo ng blue button, and then it will send you to the next page where you can find all the job posts available in Bruntwork. So click on view job openings na makita nimo na ang tanang current open roles. Remote jobs ti tanan ha. So makita nimo kung asa ka pwede, depende sa imong skills na siya. So either finance, administration. So if you're an accountant or accountant or fresh graduate, where you can maka-apply po ka din hiya. Now for the administration, so it will show all the results of the administration jobs na available. So di ba daghan kaayo te. Muna kong giingon, depende lang gina sa imong pagkugi kung mo-apply ka. For napoy mga customer support, architectural interior design. So kung naka-experience as a call center, I can apply all of those. Now let's say apply ta sa admin and booking assistant. So click lang na siya, and then maabot ka sa ani nga page. So if you're interested, of course, i-check nimong job description kung pasok ba sa banga nimo. Okay, so makita nimo nga kani siya nga job. Ang work time zone must be City of London, Atlanta. It's in Atlanta, Georgia. So flexible siya nga work. So check kung pasok ba siya sa imuhang niche or skills. And then if you're interested, just click that. O, testingan na to ng construction administrator. So, click na to na, then i-check na to ang job description. Okay? So, mangita lang ka din o kung pasok ba sa banga nimo. So, you can check the time schedule, about the description, about the job, and then all the job information. So, 35 paid hours per day. So, full-time shift ni siya. Full-time ni siya nga job post. Okay, so financial management and reporting, project administration, kani siya. So, tan-awon nimo na siya, i-check nimo ang tanang coverage. So, if you're interested, just click on I'm interested.